In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in Notion, including making a column inside a column. If you've ever wanted to organize your Notion workspace with more flexibility and structure, this guide will help you navigate this simple yet powerful feature. Stick around, and in just about 5 minutes, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps involved. First off, let's dive into your Notion workspace, which serves as a hub for your wikis, docs, and projects. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and open up your web browser and head over to Notion's website. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all your personal notes and pages. If you're not logged in, simply hit the Login button located towards the top right corner and enter your credentials. It's always a good idea to have everything set up before we move into creating columns. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Notion home. This is the main page where all your active pages are listed and can be accessed. For our task today, we'll need to choose one of these pages to work with. You can select any existing page or create a new one if you prefer starting fresh. Simply click on a page title to open it up. Now that we're inside a page, we're ready to implement columns. The great thing about Notion is its flexibility with layout options. You can adjust your workspace to fit your personal or project needs. To begin creating columns, start by typing our toggle list in your page. This command will create a new toggle list, which we'll use as a framework to build our columns. With the toggle list ready, you'll want to click and drag blocks or text under the toggle to arrange them side by side. Dragging content to the right of another block will naturally create a column. Play around with the alignment until you achieve the desired arrangement. Notion allows multiple nested levels of columns, meaning you can have columns within columns for a neatly organized structure. Additionally, when working with columns inside Notion, the trick often lies in managing content efficiently. Keep your columns balanced. Too much text in one compared to another might create a clustered view. As you get comfortable with this layout, experiment with inserting different block types like images, to-do lists, or databases. It's all about making the workspace visually appealing and functional. And there you have it. You've successfully created columns inside Notion, enhancing the organization and visual appeal of your document pages. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. We hope this tutorial helps make your work in Notion more productive and visually engaging. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.